Today, Dishu and Dhravi are going on a magical journey to explore all the seasons of the year. Come along and sing with them. Look, Dhravi, the sun is bright. Let's eat mango, such a delight. Sunny day, so warm and long. Let's play at the beach and sing our song. Seasons change, we learn and play. Dishu and Dhravi show the way. Dishu, look, the clouds are near. Let's dance in the rain without any fear. Jump in puddles, splish splash around. A rainbow of colors shines all around. Seasons change, we learn and play. Dishu and Dhravi show the way. Golden leaves fall from the trees. They swirl and fly with the breeze. Let's collect them, make a pile. Jump and play with a happy smile. Seasons change, we learn and play. Dishu and Dhravi show the way. Cold winds blow, we wear warm clothes. Hats and mittens, a red cute nose. Build a snowman big and round. Drink hot cocoa, joy all around. Seasons change, we learn and play. Dishu and Dhravi show the way. Flowers bloom, the world is bright. Butterflies dance in the sunlight. Birds are singing, skies are blue. Springtime fun for me and you. Seasons change, we dance and play. Learning with fun every day. Dishu and Dhravi sing and say, hooray, hooray, the seasons way. And that's how Dishu and Dhravi explored every season. Summer, rainy, autumn, winter, and spring. Now it's your turn, kids. Sing along and learn the seasons with joy.